What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Odie from Garfield. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. Just going to stretch this out towards the side and then back up towards the top. Now along the top we're going to draw a smaller oval for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom area of the nose in black. Now I want to separate the eyes in the middle with a straight line. So we're going to start at the very top, draw a straight line coming down towards the nose. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the left side. Bend this up, come all the way around, and then back in towards the side of the nose. Go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. It's almost like drawing an oval. Go all the way around and then in. Along the inside bottom, draw two small ovals for the eyes, and we'll fill those in black. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the bottom edge of the muzzle. Let's start on the outside of the left eye, curve it around, come in towards the middle, go across, and then bend that in on the right. Let's add a small fold, and step back, curve around and in, and then we'll wrap the cheeks around the muzzle. Step up towards the side of the eye, go all the way around, and then back in like a circle. Let's move up to the top and draw on the ears. We're going to start right in the middle. Let's start with the left side. Go up and then out. Go back to the center. Go up and out towards the right. Now on the left side, we're just going to bend the ear, coming all the way around and then down towards the bottom. Round out the ear and then bend that back up towards the top. From the top, let's step down, draw the outside edge of the ear. Just going to taper this, coming down in behind the eyes. Now that we finished the top half of the head, let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to leave a gap in the center, move over towards the right, straight down, and then just bend that out. Let's round out the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. I'm going to place the tongue along the right side, sticking out towards the left. So we start down here, going up, bend that down, round out the tip of the tongue, going up along the side. Now the tongue's going to get narrower as it comes back in toward the edge of the mouth. Going up, and then pull that in. Let's add that seam across the top, going up, and then down. Now from the bottom, we're just going to follow that same curve, so we'll step in, going up underneath the tongue, continue along the top. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black, and we want to go around the tongue. Let's draw the outside edge of the neck. We step out, follow that same curve, coming down and out. Go to the left side, come down in behind the tongue, and I want to continue along the bottom, and just bend that in towards the front leg. Let's layer that front leg on top. We'll step up and goes down and out. And I want to step back, draw the top of the foot. We'll go up and then bend that down. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, coming down and then up towards the heel. Bend the heel, coming up and in. Now the back side of the leg is going to get narrower as it comes up towards the top, towards the body. Let's separate the toe with one curve on the front. And I'm going to draw that same foot in behind. So we're going to start on the side, draw a straight line coming down, move over, draw the top of the foot, going up and then down, round out the bottom of the foot. And we're also going to separate the toe with a curve. Let's continue that curve of the body along the right side of the leg, curves down and up. Let's layer the hind leg on top. So step up, bend this down, and then up. Let's step back, draw the front of the leg, spinning this out and then down. And I want to draw that same foot. So we're going to step back, for the top of the foot going up and then down. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, pulling that up towards the heel, bend this up and in. Now I'm going to bend the back of the leg. I'm going to go up and in, round up the top, and just pull that down. Then we'll separate the toe. And then again, we're going to draw that same foot in behind. So we're going to start with the back of the leg, coming down. Draw the top of the foot going in between, round out the bottom. Now along the top of the back, we're going to add a fold. We'll go up and then down, step back up, draw the back going up, and then down in behind the hind leg. Now in the center of the body, let's draw an oval for a spot. And we'll go up toward the top and add the tail. Bend this out and up, and then taper that back in. Let's fill the tail and that spot in black. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Odie from Garfield. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.